Alright, it is October 25th, Danielle's birthday. And we are cooking her some chocolate pancakes. Chocolate chip pancakes, rather. So there's a lot of smoke. Let's hope they don't burn. Final product. And happy birthday, Danielle.
Thanks. Oh yeah.
As you can see, I covered up all the burnt parts with peanut butter.
How burnt did you make it?
It's not that burnt. Happy birthday.
Okay. Thanks, babe. Alright. Rye guy's gonna pull the anchor and we can get moving. We're going to Midway Marina where we can get a courtesy car to a Walmart so we can get some stuff, some good stuff. Bye, beach. Bye, beautiful Anchorage. Little kitty. Good job. Guess who doesn't have to take the tiller today? Me. I don't. Yay. Alright, we get to go through 3 locks today. That's my birthday present, 3 locks, the most locks we've ever done in one day. But, I don't know, this is our biggest lock. We go down 80 feet, so this is kind of interesting. We got like 9 boats in here. So that's kind of crazy. We were the first ones here, though. I just want to point that out. We were the first ones. I guess there was a looper convention somewhere, and it was in Alabama, I guess, and now everybody's heading south. So that's why there's all these boats in here. There's like 10 of them in here with us, and I guess that's why. There's a looper convention. We saw them back at a different marina, but they're really all piled in here. There was like 20 boats at the marina, but now they're all piled in here, and we're all trying to get south. 80 feet. We're going down fast. Look at that. We are going down so fast. Hey! We are so far down right now. Oh my god. That is just nuts. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Alright, we are currently getting passed by all the looper boats. We left the lock. And last boat's coming over here. Alright, we're coming up on our 3rd and final lock for the day. After this we have, I think, like what, 3 miles left? 3 or 4 miles left until we get to our marina. So we're gonna be in Fulton, Mississippi tonight. That's where we're gonna stay. We're gonna go to the Walmart and get some stuff. Ready, kitty? Are you ready, little kitten?
Can you get this soaked again?
Little bit. we're done with our 3 locks and we are in the Tom Bigby Waterway, and it's pretty right here. Look at how beautiful that is. The leaves are finally sort of beginning to change. They're not bright and vibrant like they are in Michigan, but they're pretty still. And the trees are like in the water. It's kind of weird. I feel like we're in the Amazon. Ryan's on tiller. I don't have to take the tiller at all today because it's my birthday. And Kitty is just checking things out. All right, we are at Midway Marina, and it's about 5:30, I think. The sun's just about to set, and it looks pretty. It looks like a nice little marina, other than the sticks that are back there. Kind of Dad and I are on an excursion for birthday cake, burgers, and alcohol.
Happy birthday to you, DaniRaeLives.
Hey, Grandpa. What's up? Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danielle. Happy birthday to you. Woo! You got a wish. Blow up candles.
We should have had some,
I hate my birthday because I don't like being the center of
fireworks.
attention.
I know what her wish was.
What?
47-foot bed of towel.
Alright, we have to do these quick. Alright.
Wait, should I keep
We
recording?
got cake and Jaeger bombs. Yeah.
We're having Jaeger bomb first, then cake.
Alright. Best birthday present ever! Check it out! I just bought this for myself! I'm so excited! I'm gonna make some sweet juices! Yay! I just want to thank the boys for making my birthday awesome. It was a really good day. Last night we had some drinks with a friend that we happened to see from Pura Vida for us. So thanks guys for making my birthday awesome.